different topic, may
Brochos, yes, yeah, Brochos, yes.
About the Mashiach, will he be able to get inside the Beit HaMikdash like a Kohen?
He cannot be a Kohen because we know that he's a king. Kings come from Yehuda, right? But he would be able to purify people. That's a different story. I think Eliyahu Hanavi, who is an angel and a person, he would be able to purify Mashiach, and Mashiach would be able to purify the rest of the people. I think that's at least he doesn't need to do the rest of the people, but just the Kohanim, and Kohanim can finish the job. So that's we just need to start. That's why we need the Eliyahu Hanavi.
And I ask this:
has half human, half angel. That's and who never died. Otherwise, all of the people impure. So impure people cannot purify other people. So we need somebody who is alive, who is a human, and who is pure. And it's only Eliyahu Hanavi. Go ahead.
And I ask this because I read that when all Jews were going to Beit HaMikdash, they were allowed to certain extent, a certain section of the temple, not every section.
Exactly.
So I was wondering if the Mashiach will be able to access every corner of the temple.
I don't think so. No, the laws do not change.
Only the Kohanim.
He's not a Kohen. He's not a Kohen. He's not a Leib. He's a king. So there is some prerogatives for a king. King is the only king from the tribe of Yehuda. He's the only one who is allowed to sit in a court of the Beit HaMikdash. That's it. That's the only difference. All other people must stand. So if somebody is weak, so okay, so stay home. What can we do? Today in the synagogue, if somebody was weak and they taken the Torah scroll out, everybody must rise. That's right. So when Torah is in motion, right? But there's weak people that they can sit. I mean, it's not their fault. Or elderly people. Weak elderly. Yeah. But in the Beit HaMikdash, basically, if you're weak, if you cannot stand, okay, so stay home.
This was I'm not sure which holiday or event is this, when people from all over Israel came to the Beit HaMikdash, and I remember now that it was told that even the king must at certain point must be take some caution.
He must take what? I didn't get
some precaution or caution or something like that.
About what?
I'm not sure how to express this, but the stories say that he was carrying something like a regular person inside the Beit HaMikdash.
And what? It's okay. So he was carrying, and so what? I didn't get.
And so then I wonder again this question: if Mashiach will be able to access sections of the temple that are allowed only to the Kohanim.
No. The laws do not change. The laws do not change. These laws of the Torah were given us forever, until the end of the days. Okay. What else?